Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video I will be showing you how to put your wipers into service mode, specifically on the Toyota Camry. This way, if you are looking to service or replace your wipers at home, you can do so. I'm using a 2019 Camry Hybrid for this tutorial. You will see that the left wiper is fine and accessible, but the right wiper tucks under the hood a little bit as part of the aerodynamic design, so the base of the blade is not fully accessible without putting the wipers up. Instead of trying to time the wipers to stop at the perfect spot, let me show you how the service mode works. We are going to turn the vehicle on. It does not need to be fully running, just in ignition on mode. To do this, I am going to press the engine start button twice without my foot on the brake. In vehicles with a key start, turn the key 2 clicks. You will see it is in ignition on mode. Then you can go ahead and shut the vehicle off. After the vehicle is shut off, locate your wiper blade stalk and pull the stalk all the way up and hold it there for 2 seconds. The wipers will come up to their straightest position. They will then stay in this service position for you to complete your service. From the outside, you can now see that both wipers are fully accessible for service. Once you are finished, turn the vehicle back on to ignition on mode and adjust your wipers back down. I just pulled the stalk up to wipe once. Then we can turn the vehicle back off, and there we are. And that is how to activate the service mode of your Camry's wipers. As always, feel free to request any video ideas down below. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.